Hello Smart Prop Trader community, Alexis here. If you're new to our channel or new to trading, I wanted to give you a huge welcome. We are so happy you're here. In today's video, I thought I'd go over a few different types of trading. So for those learning how to trade, or you just need to brush up on some things, this video is for you. So let's go over expert advisors, manual trading, and cyborg trading. Expert advisors, or EAs, manual trading, and cyborg trading are all different approaches to prop trading, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Expert advisors, also known as automated trading systems, are computer programs that are designed to automatically execute trades based on a set of predefined rules and algorithms. These rules are based on technical indicators and other parameters that are programmed into the EA. The EAs then execute trades based on those rules without the need for human intervention. This can be very useful for traders who want to take advantage of market opportunities when they are not able to be in front of the computer, or for those who want to quickly execute trades based on a specific strategy. EAs can also be useful for traders who want to backtest their strategies and optimize their trades. However, EAs are based on a set of predefined rules and algorithms, and therefore may not take into account unexpected market events or changing market conditions, which can lead to losses. Here at Smart Prop Trader, we do accept the use of EAs, just not HFTs. Manual trading, on the other hand, is when a trader makes trading decisions based on their own analysis of market conditions and trends. Manual trading requires a trader to have a deep understanding of the markets and the ability to quickly adapt to changing market conditions. A trader who uses manual trading approach can make use of various techniques like fundamental analysis, technical analysis, or a combination of both to make his or her trading decisions. It also allows for more flexibility and creativity in terms of trading strategies. However, manual trading can be time-consuming and requires constant monitoring of the markets, which can be difficult for traders who have other responsibilities or who are unable to be in front of the computer at all times. Cyborg trading, also known as semi-automated or algorithmic trading, is a combination of manual and automated trading. This approach uses algorithms and EAs to execute trades based on specific conditions, but also allows for manual intervention when unexpected market events occur. This approach can help traders to take advantage of market opportunities while also being able to quickly adapt to changing market conditions. This can be a good approach for traders who want to take advantage of the benefits of both manual and automated trading. Cyborg trading can be a great way to combine the speed and efficiency of automated trading with the flexibility and creativity of manual trading. It also allows traders to take advantage of the benefits of both approaches while also being able to quickly adapt to changing markets. With cyborg trading, a trader can set up a trading strategy using an EA, then monitor the trades and make adjustments if necessary. This approach can be particularly useful for traders who want to use a systematic approach to trading, but also want to retain the ability to make discretionary trades. However, it's important to note that cyborg trading also has its own set of drawbacks. One of the main disadvantages of this approach is that it can be difficult to find the right balance between automated and manual trading. If a trader relies too heavily on automated trading, they miss out on potential opportunities, while if they rely too heavily on manual trading, they may not be able to take advantage of the speed and efficiency of automated trading. Additionally, cyborg trading can be complex and require a high level of technical expertise to set up and maintain. In summary, each approach to prop trading has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. EAs can be useful for traders who want to execute trades quickly and backtest their strategies, but may not take into account the unexpected market events. Manual trading requires a deep understanding of the markets and the ability to adapt to changing market conditions, but can be time-consuming. Cyborg trading, which is a combination of manual and automated trading, allows traders to take advantage of market opportunities while also being able to quickly adapt to changing market conditions. It allows for a balance between speed, efficiency, and flexibility, and creativity of trading decisions. However, it is important to find the right balance between automated and manual trading and it can be complex and require a high level of technical expertise. In terms of the trade-off, EAs are good for quickly executing trades and backtesting strategies, but they may not take into account unexpected market events, like I mentioned. Manual trading requires deep understanding of the markets and the ability to really adapt to those changing market conditions, but it's also very time-consuming. Cyborg trading can be a good balance between the speed and efficiency and flexibility, but it may require a high level of that technical expertise. Ultimately, the choice between these approaches will depend on a trader's specific goals, trading style, and resources. For example, a trader who is comfortable with technology and has a systematic approach to trading may find that EAs and cyborg trading are the best approach. On the other hand, a trader who prefers a more discretionary approach and has the time to closely monitor markets may find that manual trading is the best approach. Additionally, some traders may also opt to use multiple approaches, depending on market conditions and their personal preferences. It's important to note that regardless of the approach chosen, prop trading is a high-risk venture, and traders should be prepared to potentially lose their capital. It's crucial for traders to have a risk management plan in place and to be aware of the potential risks and limitations of each approach. In summary, expert advisors, manual trading, and cyborg trading are all different approaches to prop trading. Each approach has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between them will depend on a trader's specific goals, trading style, and resources. Once again, all traders should be aware of the potential risks and limitations of each approach and have a risk management plan in place. I hope this explanation helped. A few announcements. Registration for the February trading competition is now live. Please visit your Smart Prop Trader dashboard under competitions to register. The full prize list and rules are also posted there. Good luck! Are you a part of our Discord community yet? Be sure to join to stay on top of all the weekly and monthly giveaways and competitions. The link to join is in the description below. Are you new to our channel? Check out this video where I introduce our incredible CEO, Blake Olson, and dive into who we are as a prop firm. What else do you want to learn about trading? Leave your comments and questions in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Have a great weekend.